What's up, campers? In today's video, we're dealing with a rotted floor and we're pulling out the slide and we're going to show you why, how, and the conclusion on it at the end. So stick around and we'll see some fun video.
Let's get all lined up with the slide. Now that we're on Private Rodriguez, which is our military grade forklift. We're making sure we're properly lined up with plenty of support and cushion so we don't smush, break, or bend anything while we do this. We have eyes inside and out, and we're going nice and slow as we bring this out and lower it down. It's out. It actually went a lot easier than we had expected. And now we're just taking everything as far as the cushions out so we can lower this down onto the blocks. Alright, now let's go check out this floor. So, this floor was completely rotted right around where the slide came in.
And now we're getting to the hard part, fixing the floor.
First, we got to take off that fender skirting, tuck that down, and take off some of the trim pieces.
That makes it easier.
Then they have to go through and remove all that rot, take out all the insulation, and clean it all up. Get it all ready for the renovations. And here is the base of the floor. They took it down to the bag insulation and all the 2x4s. This went into the bathroom as well, so they had to take out that cabinet and sink and replace the floor underneath there. It was quite the process. Peel back the linoleum, the flooring, and it's always amazing when you see the final outcome. Alright, let's go check out the update. Let's go check out the update on the StarCraft 212 slide. I know at this stage he's been replacing the floor and tore out everything that was bad already. Look at that. Hold on, you don't want to look at my ugly face. I'll show you the slide. Wow, look at that. It's all back in. The wood looks better than it ever has. That is definitely a nice, well-built, solid floor. The insulation's back in on the slide trim piece. Now, let's check out the bathroom. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Wow, that's going to look so awesome when this gets back together. Now I'm anxious to check out and see what the final outcome's going to be. Alright. A little bit of narrating there because they've got their music jamming out in there. And I'm not stopping what they're doing. I just want to show you what they're doing. Kind of gives you an inside look at the RV tech and the RV shop and what we do here. If you like these kind of videos and you want to see more of this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back. Alright, we all know that good things take time, and this is one of them. We have the floor down, we have the clamps on, and now we're just waiting for it to dry. Look at that slide. Looks anxious just to get back inside its home. Alright, today's the day. We've got it all rebuilt. Everything's ready to go back in. So we have the floor done. The supports are all ready. And now we are going to connect the slide and put the slide back in. Well, would you just look at that? All rebuilt, looking way better than it ever has. The floor is in, the trim's in, and we are ready to put that slide back in. And now it's time to match everything up and make sure that the slide supports are in the proper spot to be bolted in. Here we go. the slide is going in. You can see the whole rebuild here. Slide is getting all lined up right now with the tracks. The bathroom's all been redone. Look at that. Looks just like it was when it started, but built way better. All real plywood now in there. It looks good. It looks real good. Heavier duty plywood. All right, let's go see where these guys are at. They're getting all lined up right now on the slide, making sure everything's properly there. Going up. Getting the forklift all lined up onto the slide. Making sure everything is stable, safe, and ready for liftoff. And it's up. All right, let's go inside and check it out from the inside. It's gotta be kind of cool watching them shove it in the hole. You're there every which way. Yeah. I'm confident.
Yeah, well, yell out if you see something in there and I'll play. Yeah. So once we get past that second rubber, then we can pull the slide back out.
All right, we're watching for signs of... Oh. Yep, we're good. They're in. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's really cool to watch.
Tom, let me know when that metal meets metal out there on that bracket.
All right.
In?
Now he's using the slide mechanism, opening and closing the slide to match up with the actual slide itself. That way the brackets and the motors underneath are all connected and sunk up at the right proper spot.
I would say so.
I might have to tweak it slightly.
Which way do you want to go? I can move it.
I'm not sure yet. Let me get the bolts in and get started. Bring it down slightly. Attach it. Sitting on the stop. He's close to it.
Move it?
No. Slightly. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right, let's push these buttons and see if this goes in properly. Okay, here we go. Here's a test. It looks good so far. It's moving. Let's go inside. Look at that. That's awesome. Still a little naked because we need to put a few things on the inside for trim. Look at that. That is awesome. Well done, guys. Well done. See how it looks from the outside? Oh, look at that. That is beautiful.
Not dragging or nothing? Nice. That's good. Good. Stop it there. I can put this stuff all up without having to climb under too much.
Well, that was a rewarding project. Huh. Neat to watch when it's all finished up. That's awesome. It all lines up and it's all working properly, and put the outside fascias on, the inside trim pieces on, and we'll be golden. Thanks for sticking around watching these videos. If you like these kind of videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Keep on coming back for more because we have a lot more to offer. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all next week. Bye.